Hello everyone. So in this training, I'm gonna let you know that Azure AI Foundry is and what is its basic concept, and we will try to build our understanding about its basic definition and its primary functions. And during this course, I will also let you know that how you can configure Azure AI Foundry on Microsoft Azure portal from scratch and how you can build your first AI model. So let's start. So, what is Azure AI Foundry? So, Azure AI Foundry is a term used by different organizations to describe a platform or a framework for building, deploying, and managing AI system. You can do following activities here. You can train, fine tune, and test AI and ML models. You can manage the data. You have variety of different options. We will see in our upcoming slides, and you can have model deployment here. You can have the model orchestration and workflow automation, and you can have the continuous learning and improvement. But this is what I explained is not enough to understand what Azure AI Foundry is. So let's build our understanding on further advanced level. So in actual terms, Azure AI Foundry is a conceptual framework or increasingly a platform architecture that's been used by the big companies like Microsoft, Nvidia, HCL Tech, and many more. So, what actually the problem Azure AI Foundry solves? So, you can have the data store, you can store the vector data, data governance, you can design the pipelines, you can have the models, trainings, LLM orchestration, fine tune and evaluate the performance of your model, and you can manage the ML and LLM ops just like CI/CD deployment, engine observability, and auto retraining your model. And you have the playground to test your model. So all these activities you do at one place. In existing word or in other platforms, you don't have the option to do all these activities at one place. Microsoft Azure AI Foundry provides you to do these all the activities at one place so that you can build your model and you can do all the activities in better way and you can achieve the best results accordingly. So let's go on further advanced level and discuss the architecture of Azure AI Foundry. So actually, the architecture of Azure AI Foundry consists of 7 different layer stack. So on the first layer, you have the data foundation where you can configure the data source for your model. You have variety of different options. You can configure the data source from the different databases, APIs, data stake. And in this layer, you can clean the data, label the data, and enable the data for your model to consume. On the second layer, you can have the data modeling where you can enable the data scientists and developers to build, train, and fine tune their AI and ML models. All the basic tools, just like TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn, and many more, are available here. On the third layer stack, you can have the ML ops and workflow automation, where you can automate the repetitive task, train and test the validation, and retrain your model according to how the data is coming. And on the fourth layer, you can have the data deployment, where you can convert the trained model into the deployable endpoints, and you can have the REST and microservices so that other system can consume the results of your model and orchestrate them on their platform. On the fifth layer, you can have the monitoring and governance system where you can track the performance of your model in real time and accuracy and latency and the drift of your model. And then you have the AI agents and application layer and here you have the newer AI Foundry like Azure or AI agent orchestration. And on the seventh layer, you can have the continuous learning loop where you can retrain your model to improve its performance, and you allows your data to receive the feedback, and you have the better results, and you can uh, enable your models to generate the better results on the basis of how the data feedback is coming from the real world interaction. So let's see all these things in our training. So first of all, we will see that how we can configure the Azure AI Foundry on portal. So let's move to the demo.